Hello everyone, welcome to Geeky. Today we are going to talk about the 5 useful features of iOS 14. This is my second video in this series. In my first video I have covered 5 most useful features of iOS 14. In this second video I am covering 5 more features which are useful. So without wasting our time, let's go to the topic. First feature I am going to talk about is foreground video play. Foreground video play is nothing but playing a video on the foreground while you are working or doing some other stuff in the background. So I'll show. Just I want to play this video in foreground. Just I'll make it full screen and just click on that button. If you miss that button, I'll show it again. So when you are in full screen, just click on the button beside the cross button. Just it will bring your video into foreground. You can still continue with your background work while watching your video. This feature is already available in iPad OS in earlier versions, but Apple has bring this feature into iPhone in iOS 14. And in this option, let's explore more. If you want to make it landscape, your background also should support landscape mode. For example, if I open messages, my messages will support landscape mode, so automatically my video also will turn into landscape. And for example, if I go back to the home screen won't support landscape, so video won't support the landscape. So suppose if I open, for example, Riptel, this app won't support landscape, so my video is still in the portrait mode. It won't go to landscape. This is how it will work. If you don't want to see the video, if you want to only listen audio, just you can swipe any direction, either left or right. It will still be playing and you can listen the audio. And if you want to go back to the app, just click on it. It will go to the full screen. Just close the full screen and it will go to the particular app where you started the video. This is the first point. Coming to the second point is back tap. So Apple has come up with the new feature called back tap. Currently I have enabled back tap for my screen lock. My screen is on lock now. Just if I tap twice in my phone backside, just it will lock my screen. So it locked my screen. Just I tapped twice, it locked my screen. So I will show how to enable the back tap option. Just go to your settings, and in your settings, just I came here just now. In your settings, go to your accessibility. In the accessibility, go to touch, and in touch you can see the back tap option. I have already enabled it, is showing on. In back tap you can see two options, either double tap or triple tap. So you can enable both options. You can do in this, if you set none, it won't perform anything. If you set one of the options, it will perform the action. Let's go to the third point. Third point is camera or microphone indicator. When you are using your camera or microphone, it will show a indicator on the right top corner beside your network symbol. I'll show how it looks like. Just if I go and call to any number or do anything related to call, it will immediately enable a orange dot on the top right corner above the network symbol. So if you do audio call, it will show that orange symbol. If you do video call, it will show green symbol. It's not only for the video call, whatever the video option, like if you open camera app or if you open video in another app like Instagram to take a picture, take a video, small video, then it will show this dot option. Even if you won't record video, it will still show that dot symbol because your camera is open. While you are using your camera, either in calls or in any app, it will show that option. So it will be useful in security perspective. if any app illegally or unknowingly using your microphone or camera, it will be indicated on the screen. So immediately you can recognize some app using your microphone or camera in the background. That is how you can detect misuse of your microphone or camera. And the next point is emoji search. This is the fourth point I'm talking. So emoji search is nothing but searching your emojis, just go to emojis. Instead of scrolling left or right for your right emoji, you can simply search something like ship. If you want to send a ship emoji to your friend, just you can search and you can find relevant emoji, shipment or anything, whatever you want, you can send quickly without scrolling and finding a relevant image. That is how you can use emoji search. This option is available in Android from so long. Finally, Apple has come up with this feature in this iOS 14, and hope you like this feature, and I feel it is very useful for your daily usage. And let's talk about the fifth point in this video, that is phone call UI. When you receive a call in the previous version of iOS, it will cover whole screen. You cannot do anything in the background. But in iOS 14, you can still do your background stuff while receiving the call. It won't disturb your background work, whatever you are doing. Suppose let me try to call in a FaceTime audio call. Just I'm calling from my number. Screen recording has stopped due to the failed active phone call. So I received a call, so my screen recording got stopped. So when I receive the call, it will show something like this on the screen. So I can still do my background stuff like opening apps and doing chatting with my friends or do any stuff. Still I'm receiving the call. Either you can receive the call, you can ignore the call, and you can swipe up. It will still receiving the call in the background. See, you can see a phone symbol, ringing symbol on the top left corner. Just click on it, it will come to the foreground. You can receive or decline the call. And I'll show one more thing. When you receive the call, instead of swiping up, if you do swipe down or touch on that, it will again come into the foreground. Either you can accept or decline. That's two options. You can see that is a normal UI. So enhancement is just, instead of directly giving full UI, just giving a small notification so that you can do your background stuff without interfering from your call. This is the fifth point. I hope you like this feature as well. This is more useful while you are doing something which is very important. If you receive the call, it may disturb you from doing your stuff. So now you can peacefully do your stuff while receiving the call. Either you can leave the call, you can just keep it ringing for some time. After a few seconds, you can leave the call after finishing your important work, or else you can decline the call right away without disturbing your work. I hope you like these features. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. And I have covered 5 features in my previous video, and this video I covered 5 more features. I am coming with the next video with another 5 features which are useful. I hope you are enjoying my videos. If you are liking my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell if you want to immediately receive notifications of my new videos. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel Geeky Eyes. Bye for now.